Hey, it's Jared with WorkEasy Software. In this video, I want to show you how we've transformed workforce management for thousands of educational institutions. Many schools struggle with juggling multiple systems for time and attendance, scheduling, paid time off, and HR management. Imagine having all your tools in one place, streamlining operations and boosting efficiency. That's WorkEasy Software. Let's start with time and attendance. If you're currently using outdated methods like paper timesheets or manual entries, you know how prone these are to errors and inefficiencies, leading to extra work. WorkEasy Software offers a range of clocking methods tailored for the educational environment, from mobile app with GPS tracking, ideal for managing time across multiple campuses or remote learning environments, ensuring accurate clock-ins and outs, time clocks with biometrics, card scanning, and PIN entry for secure and precise time tracking, PIN code entry on tablets, perfect for on-site convenience in classrooms, libraries, and administrative offices, and website-based clocking, allowing workers to clock in using their own computers with options to restrict access to specific IP addresses, which will be good for your office staff. No matter your preferred method, with a reliable internet connection, all time records are automatically synced to our portal, conveniently totaled for you and presented in many ways. Upon logging in as a manager, you have widgets that enable you to monitor early and late arrivals, view real-time punches of your staff members and what tasks they're on, live statuses, and overtime alerts. All of it is here for you to see what you need to see, and then get back to real work. Managers also get a nice timesheet view that presents accurate hour totals and conveys to them any missing punches, which can disrupt payroll and project tracking. So say someone forgot to clock out. That's no problem. You'll be notified by one of the many alerts we have. After that, just click the missing punch and enter the correct time. If there's a missed task, edit that in as well and get back on track. There's a ton of easy-to-use reports as well. Say you want a summary of hours for a time frame. Run a timesheet summary. Do you want the punches as well? Then you can run a timesheet detailed report, which can include tasks worked. You can keep all managers up to date by scheduling these reports to send out on a frequency you prefer. So send a missing punch report to your managers daily or every Friday. Exports for payroll can also be scheduled to send to emails, which is great if you work with an outsourced payroll rep. You can also export time records. Simply set up your payroll export with us. Once that's done, you can hit Run, and your download will be ready for importing. We do have direct integrations with popular payrolls as well, which I can show. QuickBooks Online, ADP Workforce Now, and Run, and Bamboo HR, just to name a few. So you can skip manual data entry, ensure accurate payrolls, and streamline payroll processing. Now let's talk about scheduling. Scheduling can be a real challenge for managers who need to balance teaching assignments, student supervision, and staff availability. Whether you're planning shifts well in advance, booking the week before, or making last-minute adjustments, WorkEasy Scheduling streamlines this for you. Our drag-and-drop interface allows you to quickly book shifts and adjust schedules as needed. Plus, updates are instantly communicated to staff, ensuring everyone stays informed and your school runs smoothly. You can create as many templates as you need. And if you need to create a single shift and apply it across a specific time frame, or even set it to repeat indefinitely, just create the shift once and configure it to cover the desired period or to recur as needed. Let's talk about paid time off. Manually tracking paid time off and balancing it with schedules can be tricky. It often leads to mistakes and delays because it's easy to overlook things. WorkEasy Time Off makes it easier by letting staff request time off directly through the platform. When a manager receives these requests, they'll see if that employee has a schedule for that day and if a relevant coworker is already approved or pending for time off on that day. The manager can approve the request, and that approval will update onto the schedules and the time cards automatically. This makes it easier to avoid conflicts and keep things running smoothly. If you'd like a little history of requests, simply click the Time Taken and Balances tab to view a history of use and adjustments. No more sifting through your files. And finally, under Policies, you can set up groups to accrue paid time off. Just give the policy a name, specify who the policy applies to, and define how the time off type accrues, whether from hire date to a specific date, annually, or based on hours worked. The platform will handle the rest. And let's not forget HR. Managing HR paperwork and data entry manually can be overwhelming and prone to errors, especially in environments where conditions can be unpredictable. WorkEasy Software streamlines all HR functions by consolidating everything into one place. You can store and manage records as PDFs, making it easier to keep track of everything efficiently. If you need to share a file with an employee, simply check a box to make it viewable on their profiles. You can also create templates from your stored documents and require e-signatures. Just choose the document, drag the fields from the left side, resizing them to your liking, and save. Now you can send requests out one by one or by group. Additionally, we can track assets and whether they're in use or available. To add a new asset, click the three dots at the bottom, select Add, and provide some basic information. You can assign assets to groups and individuals. So that's a glimpse into our integrated platform. WorkEasy Software streamlines workforce management, ensuring your educational operations run smoothly and efficiently. From time and attendance to scheduling, paid time off, and HR tasks, our solution helps you focus on what matters the most, providing quality education to your students. If you'd like to learn more, reach out. We're here to help. And thanks for considering WorkEasy Software.